Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. GIF Nifty is indicating about 70-80 point higher opening. First, let us look at what has happened in the past few months. Since April, the Nifty is just consolidating. April 8, so that is when the US-Iran ceasefire news came, and that day the market shot up and the Nifty closed around 24,000. And after that, April, May, June, July, August is 5 months, and the Nifty made a high of 24,800 and the low of 23,000. Or you can say roughly it is trading between 23,000 and 25,000, or 24,000 plus minus 1,000 point. So this is the broader range. And second thing, if you look at the last expiry, August, the first few trading sessions, markets were doing well. In fact, the 3rd of August, and that is when the CA is introduced. So that is the day actually Nifty closed very close to 24,800, the highest point in August. Then after that, so markets fell continuously for 12 days, then recovered, then fell, then recovered. But, that high was not taken out. This is the August series. But if you see the July series, exactly the same. The first 4 trading session, Nifty rallied like anything. Then the profit booking came and the market came down, so that that 4th day high was not taken out until the end of the series. So broadly speaking, this market is looking bullish for first few trading session of the series, and then after that having consolidation or a bearish. So yesterday, it's not even the first day of the new series. There's the last day of the August series, and the Nifty moved significantly higher. How significant yesterday higher? I have to tell you, yesterday's candle is called engulfing candle. And usually the people talk about engulfing candle compared with one day, previous day candle. But what happened yesterday? Yesterday's candle is an engulfing candle of the last 3 days candles. So what is engulfing? Engulfing means, yesterday's low is lower than the previous 3 days low. And yesterday's high is higher than last 3 days high. So that is called engulfing candle. Engulfing candle can be positive, can be negative. So yesterday's engulfing candle is a positive green candle, green engulfing. So there's a possibility of a red engulfing also. Means yesterday's high may be higher than the previous 3 days, low may be lower than previous 3 days, but close at the lowest end of the day. That's called red engulfing. So this is a green engulfing. So green engulfing candle is considered as a bullish sign, right? So definitely the market is bullish. And you may remember I told you, like for the last few days, I've been maintaining some kind of a bullish view. And I've been telling you the global cues are good, FIAs are buying, and then, like corporate results are improving. And then, most of the stocks have given already zero return for 5 years, 6 year, 7 year. I think ITC, somebody told me it's a 7-year return is zero. Kotak Bank 5-year return is zero. HDFC Bank 5-year return is zero. Hindustan Unilever 5-year return is zero. So like how long this can continue? Forget about that. If you look at the last 6 months, Reliance Industries return is zero. Last 6 months, HDFC Bank return is zero. So zero return, okay. So when things turn around, so there's a possibility the market may go higher. The only risk for our market is the crude oil price. Few days before, the crude oil was inching towards $95, but now it has come to about $86. So that's almost 10% crash in crude oil prices. So that is actually good for Indian market. So at least, though July we started with a bullish note, but we failed to sustain the bullishness. August also we started with a bullish note, but we failed to sustain. But today also, the first trading day, GIFT Nifty is indicating 70-80 point higher opening. But this is despite 70-80 point higher closing during the CAS. So looks everything is positive, but the bulls are hoping that this time, at least the markets will go higher. Right. So having said this, the India VIX is low. Even when the markets were falling continuously for 12 trading sessions, the India VIX did not shoot up. So that is something positive for bulls. Bears are hoping, okay, we have seen this many times, right? So we have seen this in August also. We have seen this in July also. We will see this in September also. So let the market rally for first few days, and then we will start shorting the market. So this must be the, the bear mentality. August month itself, Nifty traded approximately between 24,000 and 24,800. So at least 50% of that is 24,400. I think the way GIFT Nifty is indicating, today Nifty might open about 24,400. But technically, the market becomes long only if 24,500 is taken out on the higher side. So sensing this, many people have taken 24,500 short straddle yesterday with a combined premium of about 550 points. So they are safe between 24,000 and 25,000. But I tend to block a lot of money in long-term options, and my December positions are doing very well. Maybe as per my rule, by the end of October or the beginning of November, I'm supposed to close my December positions, and then I may have to shift positions to next year December. So like why we have to close by end of October, why we have to close our first week of November, why we have to shift to next year December, what are the pros and cons? So they are all the things that we discuss in our workshop. And somebody told me, sir, nowadays long-term options volumes are picking up, sir. You see so much of open interest. And I said, 99.99% of that open interest is controlled by myself and my workshop participants. So, now SEBI also now started realizing short-term options are more riskier, long-term options are not, of course, that is also a risk. But that is not as high risk as trading in the short term. So in between, there was some news, SEBI is planning to reduce the margin money for long-term options. Now they are charging 5% extra margin money for options expiring beyond 9 months. So there was some news saying that, that might be, the time frame may be increased to 13 months. So if they increase to 14 months, then that will be really very, very good. But, good things will come slowly, but bad things will come very quickly. So we will wait. So let us hope that SEBI also looks into it. So broadly speaking, my view as of now, usually 5-week series is a very long series. Like it'll be a little bit difficult to predict, but as of now, my thinking is that it's going to be between 24,000 and 25,000. So that is the range for this month. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.